primetime news.
And a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the police are to deploy a special team of investigators to probe the killing of 8-year-old Shante Skyers.
Shante's body was found today in Sterling Castle St. Andrew after 5 days of searching.
But as her family grieves, they are raising questions about the response time of the security forces.
We have more from TVJ's Herman Green.
Searching end in grief. The body of 8-year-old Shante Skyers discovered in bushes Tuesday morning, shattering any hope her family had of finding her alive. It all started last week Thursday when Shante, a student of the Red Hills Road Primary, left school for her home in Blue Hole Sterling Castle. However, she didn't reach her destination.
Everybody says them see her coming from school, even a friend where she walk with. Say them see when she come home from school to a point, but from that point, nobody else have a clue.
Her father, Fabian Skyers, claims that despite reporting the matter to the Red Hills Police that same evening, he and other community members had to start searching for her themselves. On Monday, he expressed his desperation.
From Thursday night, I wake up in the rain and walk and look for her Thursday night. Me personally, go link the police them and tell me, say, no, they don't do nothing till 24 hours.
Right, and that we just have to tell them a while ago.
Yeah. Want help you know, more some dog for sniff, more some green suit man for run a people place and a search. Me can't do that, me can't pick up the army and the police work. Me need the army and the police here, so me need a helicopter in here.
That's when residents joined with him in protest, blocking the main road.
From how much day ago? And now nobody will come. TVJ, we're not getting any help from Red Hills Police.
Then, Tuesday morning,
so what we have done, we have come together as a security force, both the army and the police, and we decided that we're going to come and comb the entire area.
Shante's body was later found covered with stones and bushes in the community she called home. Relatives and community members breaking down in tears. The Member of Parliament calling for justice.
Myself and the community, we're beside ourselves right now. The mom, she's totally distraught. We have a community that's totally distraught, the teachers, the students. I just want the person who did this to be caught and to be punished.
Based on the timeline between her disappearance on Thursday and finding her Tuesday morning, we asked Superintendent Leon Clunis about her father's statement that the police did not respond with urgency.
I can tell you, since this was reported to the police has been carrying out every effort to find this child. Inspector Davon Shirley, that is in charge of the Red Hills Police Station, would have gone into the bushes several times. But you have to remember, these are persons without much resources to get the job done. So, and that is why we were calling this morning to assist, and you can see the end result. So it's not that the police wasn't doing enough, just like the police could have only done what the police could have done at that point. So
Superintendent Clunis says focus is now being put on finding the perpetrator. Herman Green, TVJ News.